Here I am in the directory with all the stuff. The program that I wrote is actually this one, and if I run it, it starts up. A lot of stuff is already being logged. It tries to register some stuff. It actually says it's unable to because somewhere there's an implicit registration of those modules, and later on you will see that CUDA is actually being used. Then you get some display of the test set configuration or size of the test set, and I print a couple of numbers that need to be recognized. So obviously this is 7, a 2, a 1, a 0 and a 4. And here actually the initialization to the GPU device is being done. This is an output of the Keras neural network. And here it actually says, like I mentioned earlier, that the CUDNN is actually being loaded and being used. Here's a small log of the epochs, as they are called in neural network training. And at the end you see the test loss and accuracy of this neural network. So it achieves an accuracy of 98% and 0.9%. And I also display the recognition of the first 5 characters, 72104. Image 0 is considered to be of 7, 1 to be a 2, etc, etc. And that seems to be okay. This is a 7, a 2, and so on. Looking at the code, I based some stuff of from somebody else. This is stuff to do the display of the characters in ASCII. This is a utility function to actually do that. And here you're gonna load the Keras data, the dataset MNIST for the numbers, or the numbers that need to be recognized. Yeah, that's basically it. Using Keras makes it extremely simple to use neural networks, because basically this is where the magic happens. You have a training set and you have a test set that need to be categorized. You build a model, and this is the summary that we saw on the log. And here with some parameters you do your actually training. And here the training happens in this last line. And then the last part is displaying the recognition of the numbers. I also see that I didn't explain the MNIST dataset yet. Dataset, images. I think this is the rather good one. So this is the dataset that needs to be recognized. And the training set obviously has these numbers labeled as 0, 1, 2, 3, etc, etc. And there are quite some variations of, for example, the 7, rather bold, slanted, more rectangular, with dash, and that's a standardized set for doing machine learning and doing it with neural networks. And that's basically it.